Good afternoon. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. I'm here at 16911 Dulce Ynez, and I am preparing to perform a video examination of the main sewer line for Dave Rosenberg. Now, the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping that is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping that is underneath or interior to the structure. Our examination today is not focused on the building drain line system. So if further evaluation is desired regarding the building drain line system, a licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. So I am going to be performing today's examination from our 4-inch main sewer line cleanout located here out in front of the structure. And this is right next to the main water supply to the left from our front porch entrance here. Look down, you'll see this black plastic cap sticking up. Drop in. This is going to push us basically out to the public sewer here under the street. Get a little water going here to clean the camera off real quick. Alright, so what we're looking at here is the original cast iron drain piping. Now, these cast iron pipe materials typically we're expected to have a service life somewhere in the 60 to 70 year range. So this is definitely an aging pipe, and it's, I would say, nearing the end of its useful service life. What I'm really looking for are any signs that the pipe has actually started to fail. It definitely has excessive rust and scale buildup. We're looking for any signs that the roots are starting to penetrate the pipe, things like that. You can definitely see how the corrosion in these older pipes occurs. Only about 10 feet of it before we get down to the sidewalk here, so it's not a long line. Time comes to upgrade this, it's not a very large replacement cost. Right here we've changed to a 6-inch diameter now vitrified clay piping. This is very common under the streets especially. Now, the clay pipes, unlike the cast iron, they do have a very long service life expectancy. This is essentially being clay and earth material, so it's not expected to deteriorate underground like those iron pipes do. But they can be more brittle in nature and do have a higher potential for damage during seismic activity or earthquakes. So we're really specifically looking for any significant cracks or breaks, significant offsets or separations at the joints, anything that could be considered a compromise to the integrity of the pipe. And so far it looks pretty clean. Also not really seeing any evidence of roots at the joint areas. It's a common situation in these clay pipes, but it doesn't appear to be occurring here. Right here at about 32 feet, we're making our turn to drop down into the public sewer. So for the time being, it is a functional system, but the first 10 feet of the line is the original cast iron. It's deteriorating and aging. In a situation like this, we're suggesting that there's no real disadvantage to one being proactive and planning for those upgrades when feasible. But if one desired, they could video examinations regularly on this line to kind of help to better project a more accurate future replacement date. But with that, no stress on any repairs or upgrades at this point, simply a monitoring system. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video portion of the examination for today. Please do refer to the written report for the description of the final findings and recommendations, including the maintenance recommendations. Now, we do recommend the main sewer line should be examined after any significant seismic activity, and that main sewer line should be examined annually to monitor for changing conditions in the system. This is Mark Harrison of Sewer Line Check Professionals. Thank you very much, and have a pleasant day.